This question shows us how they are solving an equation, and they're telling us that there was an error between step 1 and 2. So sometimes they might show you an equation that's solved incorrectly and you have to find the error. Here we're actually being told where the error is between step 1 and 2. So it's important to keep in mind that the way Fred is solving it here might not be exactly how you are solving it. You might decide, first I'm going to move all my x's to one side, and then I'm going to move all my constants to the other side. That's not what Fred did here. Instead, you want to see what he did and where he made a mistake in what he chose to do for this step. Because there's different pathways you can take to solve an equation and get to the same answer. So anyway, what you want to do is compare step 1 and 2. If we look at the left side, everything's the same. This is the same. But look, instead of negative 42 plus 4, they did positive 46. Is that correct? Is negative 42 plus 4 the same as positive 46? No. If you put that in your calculator, you'd see that this is negative 38. So this should have been minus 38, not plus 46. So that is the mistake that you would want to explain in step A. For these type of problems, once you find the mistake, they're going to ask you to solve it correctly. Now, I would like you to just use that method I showed you of being able to solve equations using the graphing calculator. Remember, they're going to be giving you difficult equations on here where there's lots of steps, lots of places you might make a mistake. So using that graphing calculator is a sure way to get it correct. So what you do is you change the variable to x, which in this case it's already x, so that's good. And then you just need to add a plus y to one side. So it doesn't matter which side, I'm going to put it on the right. And then you graph it. And what we care about is where the line of that graph crosses the x-axis. If you click on it, it'll actually tell you the coordinates, and you can see that it crosses the x-axis at 0.6. So x equals 0.6.